Having a clean air filter ensures optimal performance. When the filter needs to be cleaned, the air conditioner displays a CF notification to remind you that it is time to clean the air filter. To access the air filter, use the tabs on the sides of the grill and pull towards you. Slide the filter out of the air conditioner. Rinse well with warm water and let the filter dry. Now identify the correct way to reinsert the filter. The mesh that goes across the grates should be facing towards the compressor. Line up the filter and push it back into place, making sure it's secured by the tabs on the top and bottom. Line up the grill with the bottom and push the grill back into place. To reset the clean filter notification, press and hold the mode button for 3 seconds.